Today, our topic is how to be more productive as a lazy student. Do you often feel too lazy to study, but still want good grades? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll share practical, science-backed tips that will help even the laziest student become more productive without burning. Here's the good news. You don't need to work harder, you just need to work smarter. Let's dive into 5 simple habits that can turn lazy study sessions into productive ones. Tip 1. The 5-minute rule. Start with just 5 minutes. Tell yourself, I'll study for only 5 minutes. Most of the time, once you begin, your brain keeps going. Starting is the hardest part, so trick yourself into it. Tip 2. Use active recall. Don't just read notes, quiz yourself, write down questions, or use flashcards. Active recall saves time because your brain remembers faster, so you study less but learn more. Tip 3. Study in sprints. Instead of forcing yourself to sit for hours, try short study sprints. For example, 25 minutes of focus, then a 5-minute break. This is called the Pomodoro Technique, and it's perfect for lazy students. Tip 4. Make it effortless. Keep your books, pens, or laptop ready in one place. When studying feels easy to start, you'll avoid wasting time finding things. Small steps remove excuses. Tip 5. Reward yourself. Promise yourself a reward after studying. It could be 10 minutes of scrolling, a snack, or watching your favorite show. Rewards keep you motivated and make studying less painful. So if you're a lazy student, remember, start small, study smart, and keep it simple. Productivity isn't about working harder. It's about making studying easier for yourself. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who also struggles with laziness. See you in the next video.